Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that literally made me jump off a bus in the middle of my journey. Imagine finding a place so captivating, so unexpectedly beautiful that it stops you in your tracks and changes your plans completely. That's exactly what happened to me when I discovered this hidden gem I'm going to show you. I was simply passing through Pasig on my way back from Florida when something caught my eye that I couldn't believe, and it wasn't on my travel list for Manila. A modern paradise that combines art, architecture, and lifestyle in a way I've never seen before in the Philippines. This place is called Bridge Towne. And by the end of this video, I'm going to reveal something absolutely mind-blowing about this development that nobody is talking about.
Can it just be us tonight? Under the night sky, gonna make my skin rise. Can it just be us tonight? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? 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 Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. When you're in the dark, secrets I keep. Let the world just fade away. You're all I need. Can it just be us tonight? No one can see. Give you my trust tonight. It's yours to keep. Let's fall in love tonight. In the right place, at the right time. Can we fall in love tonight? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic?
So there I was, half asleep on the bus after a long day in Florida, looking out the window, barely paying attention, when suddenly, bam, this massive steel structure appears, gleaming in the sunlight. At first I thought I was seeing things. Is that a giant steel statue? And that bridge, unlike anything I've seen in Metro Manila before. I literally asked the driver to stop right there. I had to see this place up close. As I approached Bridgetown, I realized this wasn't just another development, it was a statement. The entire area feels like it was designed by someone who wanted to prove that urban places in the Philippines can rival the most impressive developments anywhere in the world. Let's take a walk around and I'll show you what makes Bridgetown so special. The architectures behind this project have blended modern minimalism and touches that feel distinctly Filipino, but not in the way you might expect. Notice how the buildings incorporate natural light with these massive windows and open spaces that make everything feel larger. But the real genius is in the details. See these patterns in the concrete? They've actually inspired by traditional Filipino weaving patterns, reimagined in a completely modern context. What's particularly impressive is how they managed to create a space that feels both intimate and grand at the same time. The scale of everything is perfectly balanced. Nothing feels overwhelming despite the ambitious design. Now let's talk about this steel masterpiece that first caught my attention. Standing 60 meters tall, this sculpture was created by Jeffrey Manuel Figueres. What makes it special isn't just the size, but the way it changes throughout the day. I spent hours here just watching how the sunlight transforms this piece. In the morning, it reflects the sky with cool bluish tint. By the afternoon, it takes on a golden glow. And at sunset, just wait till you see this. It particularly ignites with color. But the art just doesn't stop there. Throughout Bridge Towne, you'll find smaller installations that tell a story about Filipino identity and the country's vision for the future. Each piece seems to ask a question. What could the Philippines become if we dream big enough? Bridge Towne isn't just about looking at pretty buildings and art. It's a fully realized lifestyle hub. The developers have carefully curated businesses here to create a specific experience. I've stopped for coffee where a patron told me that all their beans come from a small-scale Filipino farmers. Then I wandered into an open area of Opus Mall, which showcased paintings exclusively from local women artists. What's fascinating is how this place balances luxury with accessibility. Yes, there are high-end restaurants and boutiques, but there are also public places where anyone can come and simply enjoy the atmosphere. The developers seem to understand something crucial, that the best urban spaces belong to everyone. Sitting here now, watching people interact with this space, I can't help but reflect on what Bridge Towne represents. In a city where development often happens haphazardly, this is a reminder of what's possible with the vision and deliberate planning. This place made me rethink my own assumptions about urban living in the Philippines. Like many of you, I've always been drawn to BGC for its modernity and organization. But Bridge Towne offers something different, a sense of artistic purpose that goes beyond functional design. It's like the difference between a house and a home. BGC might impressively be constructed, but Bridge Towne feels like it has a soul. Now for the revelation I promised you at the beginning. What many people don't know about Bridge Towne is that it's only phase one of a massive 5-part development plan that will transform this entire section of Pasig over the next decade. I managed to speak with one of the project managers who shared that future phases will include a riverside park or arts center, innovative housing, etc. The steel statue that caught my eye is just the first of 5 major art installations planned, each representing a different aspect of Filipino identity and aspirations. So what you're seeing now is just the beginning. This isn't just a beautiful place, it's the first chapter of a story that is still being written. And that's what I find the most exciting about Bridge Towne. It's a reminder that the Philippines isn't just developing, it's dreaming. And those dreams are taking physical form right here in Pasig. In life, we can get caught up with just our daily work and lose our ability to imagine. Places like Bridge Towne remind us to keep dreaming and never give up on the potentialities and possibilities. I came here by chance, but I'm returning by choice to watch this dream continue to unfold. If you enjoyed exploring Bridge Towne with me, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out on my next discovery. Until then, keep your eyes open. You never know what amazing places might be hidden in plain sight. Thank you and bye-bye.